Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about factorial. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find a, b, c to make sure that this one equals to this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that this one we can put like this. We have n factorial multiplied by n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. Next, n factorial we can do about factorization. And we have like this. Now, we need to expand this one. They should be like this. Now, 6 minus number 1, we have positive number 5. Now, we go back in here. So, A equals to number 6. And B equals to 11. And C equals to number 5. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.